The Lost Puppy. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little boy named Tom. Tom loved animals very much. He had a cat named Whiskers, a rabbit named Fluffy, and a bird named Chirpy. But Tom always wanted a puppy. One sunny day, Tom's parents surprised him. "Tom, we have a special gift for you," his mother said. Tom was very excited. His father opened a small box, and inside was a tiny brown puppy. "Wow, a puppy!" Tom shouted with joy. He named the puppy Max. Max was very playful. He loved to run, jump, and play with Tom. They became best friends. One morning, Tom took Max for a walk in the park. They played fetch with a stick, and Max was very happy. But suddenly, a loud noise scared Max. He ran away very fast. Tom called, "Max, Max, come back!" But Max was gone. Tom was very sad. He looked for Max everywhere. He asked his friends, "Have you seen Max?" But nobody saw Max. Tom went home and told his parents. They were worried too. Tom's parents helped him make posters. The poster said, "Lost Puppy, name Max. If you find him, please call Tom." Tom and his parents put the posters all around the village. Days passed, but there was no sign of Max. Tom did not give up. Every day he went to the park and called, "Max, Max," but Max did not come. One evening, Tom heard a noise outside his house. It was a soft, whimpering sound. He opened the door and saw Max. Max was dirty and tired, but he wagged his tail when he saw Tom. "Max, you're back!" Tom cried happily. He hugged Max tightly. Tom's parents came and were very happy too. They gave Max food and water, and he felt better. From that day on, Tom always kept a close eye on Max. They played in the park, but Tom made sure Max was safe. Tom was very thankful to have his best friend back, and Max was happy to be home. Village, a small community or group of houses in a rural area. Animal, a living organism that feeds on organic matter, typically having specialized sense organs and nervous system unable to respond rapidly to stimuli. Gift, something given willingly to someone without payment, a present. Excited, very enthusiastic and eager. Playful, fond of games and amusement. Light-hearted. Morning, that early part of the day, from sunrise until noon. Noise, a sound especially when that is loud or unpleasant or that causes disturbance. Sad, feeling or showing sorrow. unhappy. Poster, a large printed picture or notice put up for advertising or decoration. Sign, an object, quality, or even whose presence or occurrence indicates that the probable presence or occurrence of something else. Noise, a sound, especially one that is loud or unpleasant or that causes disturbance. Whimper, a series of low, feeble sounds expressive of fear, pain, or discontent. Hug, squeeze tightly in one's arms, typically to express affection. Thankful, pleased and relieved. Safe, protected from or not exposed to danger or risk, not likely to be harmed or lost. Surprise, an unexpected or astonishing event, fact, or thing. Tiny, very small. Fetch, to go for and then bring one for someone. Tired, in need of sleep or rest. Weary. Worried, anxious or troubled about actual or potential problems.